Can we add dynamic fields into our signed documents and them to be auto-completed when a customer tries to sign that document? The answer is going to be yes. How do we do this? Well, first, into our sign app, we're going to have to upload our corresponding templates. Okay, just upload the PDF. I have another window here that we'll touch in a second to show that template we're working on. Now, another thing that is going to be important is going to go into contacts, and in our contacts, let's go, for example, to Joel Willis, who we know that has a city, has a street, has a zip code, as well as other information, for example, the email. Can we autocomplete the city, etc., into the sign app? The answer is going to be yes. So let's go into that template that we just uploaded. And to be able to add those fields, it's just going to be drag and drop. However, there are going to be additional fields. For example, this one that we created, address street, it's a text field that we're going to be placing in address. But this is going to grab just the address. And I would like to add as well the city and the zip code. Okay, how do we do that? We're going to go into template properties and we're going to go into fields. And here under fields, we're going to see all the fields that have been already added. What if we want to add a new field? For example, zip code. Let's just call it zip code and we're going to create and edit. When we create it and edit it, we can select what type of field we want to add. And if we want this field to be auto-completed, we're going to have to add the technical name of that field into here. How do we do this? If you are in developer mode, you're going to be able to go into the Ladybug, go into fields, and then from here, find what's the technical name for zip code. That's just going to be zip. If you were to go, for example, for other fields, here's going to be all the technical names under field name for those corresponding ones. All right, so let's do that. Let's just add the zip. Or just save and close. Perfect. And we're going to do the same with the city. Let's go into that big window and look. Oh, what is the city? There exists two. We're going to go with the text field that is city. All right, so let's just add city. We're going to create and edit this field and we're going to link it to city. Okay, let's just save and close. And now going back into the template. Oops, let's just close that. But we're going to be able to see into our corresponding template how we can now add the zip code and the city. All right. Seems like I had a small issue here when going back, but regardless, let's just do the address street. Just go into the templates, go into the customer contract information that we were utilizing, and we're gonna modify the template. Right, having an issue here, so let's just duplicate this one. Let's check real quick the template properties. Oh, that would be why we don't have a responsible added on those corresponding fields. Let me just delete them, and hopefully now it should be all right. All right, perfect. So that was the little issue that I forgot to do, which was adding who was the responsible for those fields. So now we can drag and drop the zip code and select who is the responsible, in this case, the customer, who has to fill it. And same thing with the city. Let's just drag and drop it, and we have that city, okay? Now, we have that template has been completed. Let's actually send it to Joel Willis. Let's do that. And on my end, as a user, there are some fields that we'll have to sign. So let's just do that, sign now. And on my end, I need to add my corresponding fields, right? There we go. And this has been auto-completed. Now, what will Joel Willis have to do? Let's log in as Joel Willis. So let me log out and log in as Joel Willis. All right. When logging it as Joel Willis, I can go into my signatures, and Joel Willis will see that customer information contract that needs to be signed. Let's click on that document, and I can click on that sign button, and this is gonna prompt me to my corresponding fields. The date is one that when I click on it, it's gonna be today's date, and for the rest of the fields, they're gonna all be auto-completed based on the information that we had in our contacts app. It just a means to start signing everything. All right, I hope that this helped. This is the way to add dynamic fields into Odoo. You have to go into the template properties, add those corresponding fields, and link them to the corresponding technical name of the contact. Thank you.